Welcome back to Data Safari. In this video, we will be focusing on one of the most crucial steps in creating impactful visualization, that is, connecting to data source in Tableau. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Alright, here we are in Tableau's user-friendly interface. Connect to a data source, we need to navigate to the data source option, which you can find on the left-hand side of the screen. Then click on the connection, then click on the respective file option. Let's click on it. As you can see, Tableau provides us with various options for connecting data sources. We can connect to a file, server, cloud services, and more. For this demonstration, let's connect to a local Excel spreadsheet. And here we are. After selecting the Excel option, Tableau prompts us to locate the Excel file we want to connect to. I have prepared a sample file for this tutorial. Let me select it. Great. Now Tableau has successfully connected to our Excel file. Now we can see a preview of the data in the right hand pane. This preview allows us to verify Tableau has recognized the data correctly or not. Here we can see this ABC represents the string and this hash option represents the numerical data. So everything looks good. We can proceed by clicking on the Sheet tab at the bottom on the screen. This will take us to the Tableau's canvas where we can start visualizing our data. Before we move on, I want to highlight some of the options Tableau provides when connect to a data source. This option can be accessed by clicking on the small drop-down arrow next to the data source name in the top left corner. Here we have an option to edit the connection, update the data, or even extract a subset of the data for faster performance. Tableau gives us a lot of flexibility to tailor our connection to fit our needs. Now that we have covered our basic, let's talk about some best practices when you connecting to a data source into Tableau. Firstly, it's always a good idea to clean and prepare your data before connecting to it. Ensure that data is a structured format and does not contain any inconsistencies. Secondly, if you are dealing with large data sets, considering Tableau's data extract feature. Data extract allows you to create a subset of your data and store into a Tableau specific format, improving performance and reducing reliance on the original data source. And lastly, make sure to refresh your data regularly, especially if you are working with live connection to databases or cloud services. This ensures that your visualization always reflects the most up-to-date information. That's it. We have covered the essentials of collecting to data sources in Tableau. Always remember, the ability to access and analyze data is the foundation of any successful data visualization project. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insight into connecting to data sources in Tableau. And don't forget to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tutorials. Thank you.